Squad! What's up, what's up, what's up? I'm back with my first official YouTube tutorial. Skip Squad Fitness with Miss Brown. Yes! Hey, 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 hey. Alright, so if you haven't already, like, subscribe onto my YouTube channel. Moving forward, I'm going to share with you lots of fun, interesting and cool skipping steps, as well as some fitness advice to keep you well, to keep you motivated, give you abs like these, and to just keep you guys moving and holistically healthy. In this first tutorial, all I'm going to do is keep it simple. So I'm going to show you guys how to hold your skipping ropes, and then just how to skip naturally with a flow, the basic step. And then after that, I'm going to show you a simple but cool step, which is going to be either the Stoopid step or one I made myself, which is the to me to you. So this first tutorial is going to be simple but effective. First of all, we do what I do best, what I do first, which is happy yourself. And what we're going to do, we're going to dance. Watch this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do a basic skip. First of all, with your skipping ropes, just get a basic standard skipping rope if you haven't got one already. Doesn't have to be too expensive. You can find some in the sales. You can get skipping rope for £5, maybe even £10. But make it a nice basic one. Make sure it's not too short. If you're not really used to skipping or comfortable with skipping, avoid getting a speed rope. Just get a nice basic skipping rope and then you're good to go. Right, let me show you again. So this is where your arms should be when you start skipping, and if you can, just keep your posture, keep your back straight. But once again, your hands should be close to your hips, and your hands should also be quite close to your hips in terms of distance apart. Keep your wrists as close to your hips as possible, right? And then to do your basic skip, all we're going to do is, and that's it, that's your basic skip. You don't need to jump too high, but if you're new to it and you're a bit uncomfortable, fine, you can jump really high just to get your flow first. But otherwise, this should be your basic skip. And again, keep your hands close to you, keep your wrists close to your hips, and just use your wrist to rotate the rope. Secondly, I'm going to come close to the camera. When you're holding your rope, don't hold your hands too close up to the top or to the bottom. Keep it in the middle or about 2 centimeters from the top. So this will give you a good grip and good control of your skipping rope. Right, skip squad, let's do it again. Couldn't resist. So that's your basic step. And then now I'm going to teach you guys the Stoopid step. So that's the Stoopid step. With that, you literally have your heel touching the floor, left and right, or right and left, and your standing foot just skips like that. So you can start like this, skipping on one foot, get the other foot out, and then let the heel touch the floor. Heel, 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 heel. So again, if you start with your basic skip, and then just one foot, you get your flow, and then heel, 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 heel. You can change it up, heel, 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 heel. And then if you're like me, you just have some fun with it. Don't worry, I'm going to get you here soon, don't worry. I'll teach you those soon. So that was the basics for today, guys. When you get your rope, keep it basic if you're new to skipping. Keep your hands towards the front, not right at the top, but towards the front end of your handles. I'll show you again. This gives you a good grip and good control of the ropes. Rotate the rope around your body with your wrists. It's all about the wrist action. And then with your posture, keep your wrists close to your body and try and keep your hands or your arms down towards your hips every time as you're skipping. And when you finish, you just dance, you just dance, you just dance, you just dance. Hey, hey, hey. Thanks God. Keep skipping. See you in the next one. Bless up. Yes.